Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI. I love a carry-on bag that has all the bells and whistles, that is convenient and can hold all of my stuff with no problem. This versatile carry-on bag by Hynes is so awesome because not only is it a carry-on bag, it has handles at the top, it has handles on the side, and it can also convert into a backpack. This carry-on bag has a pocket in the front with pockets on the inside of the pocket. It also has another zip compartment that's a little bit larger that you can put even more things like your computer and your cell phone and other wireless items. In the larger compartment on the inside, it is so roomy. It is about 5 inches deep. I can put all of my clothes for the weekend. I can put my makeup bag. It has so much room that I don't have to worry about where I want to store things. And if you want to be even more organized, you can use the included packing cubes that come in small, medium, and large. They have this awesome see-through mesh, so you can see exactly what's in them and pack all of your items nicely and neatly. It even has a pocket on the side for your water bottle. I love this carry-on bag by Hynes. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.